Hello, this is a very quick demo of how BladeFix's fan blade replacement solution works. We're going to replace 3 blades from a stock of 4 blades. So let's pick the aircraft, GLLAP. Let's pick where it's located. It's currently down in Munich, and the engine is the left-hand engine. That's the current state of the engine. Current fan blades, let's pick the ones we want. Fan blade 5, fan blade 2, fan blade 36. These are all damaged. I'm going to use single blade replacement. Click find replacements. Off it goes and does its thing. Right, it's finished doing its calculations and has found 4 solutions for us. Let's have a look at the solutions. Solution 1 is probably the optimal one. It's got us replacing 3 blades and swapping 3 blades. There's the instructions we can use in the works order. The other solution that is probably most workable as well is where we swap 1 blade and replace 3 blades and use some trim weights. Let's have a look at the trim weights. So we're using trim weight PO6 and a PO1 in position 8. And that's it. There you are, 2 very workable solutions within a couple of minutes for a very difficult problem. Thank you for watching.